channel once again, the Decent Coder guys. And guys, today I am going to tell you about some of the premium courses which are being provided by the Eduonix platform to you guys. So guys, what you have to do is you have to just go and simply enroll in these courses, since I have provided you with the links through which you can directly go to the course, and then they are accessible to you for free. You don't have to apply any sort of coupon because I have already applied them in the links. So just you have to click on them, and then you can simply go to them. So guys, the first course is the Advanced JavaScript course for coders. Learn object-oriented programming in JavaScript. So guys, in this course you will be learning about the JavaScript. If you have already brushed up your basic concepts and you want to move to the advanced level for this course, then you can simply enroll in this course. It would be a nice course since it would be a long term course is of around 11.5 hours, which is a long term duration. So you can enroll in this course, and definitely I can guarantee that the content is going to be awesome, since I have myself attended a lot of Eduonix courses for Bootstrap and other technologies as well. The second course for you is Algorithm and Software Engineering for Professionals. So if you are in search of some sort of data structure and algorithms course in a particular language, then this course would be greater for you and would be fine for you. This course basically takes up with Java language, I think so, because I did the same course some time before with the data structure and algorithm. So this course has awesome content. It contains around 103 lectures for you guys, and it also has a 7.5 hours limit. So guys, these all the courses are provided to you in English, so you can enroll and take the advantage of these courses. The third course is Learn PHP and MySQL development by building up projects. So guys, since PHP language is in much use nowadays, and its combination with MySQL gives it a lot of power to develop different sort of applications, and they also fit with each other very well. So guys, if you want to learn the same, and if you want to make applications using PHP language and MySQL database, then you can simply enroll in this course. You have to just go and click on the particular link, then just you have to access the course, and it's free for you. And guys, all the courses provided to you here are free for lifetime, so you just have to enroll it now, and then you can attend it whenever you want according to your time schedule. So guys, these were some of the premium courses which I wanted to bring you for you all. So if you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Just beat YouTube's algorithm by clicking on the like button and sharing this video as much as possible. Guys, press on the bell icon if you want future notifications for these sort of courses, and also subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you guys, and let me see you in the next video.